Hi guys, I'm Pablusha and welcome back to my channel. We Indians get tanned easily and forehead tan is really stubborn. So in this video I'm going to tell you about how you can get rid of your forehead tan, and that is really quick and simple. But before proceeding, I want to debunk some myths related to suntan and sunscreen. So let's get into the video. So the myth number 1, duskier skin beauties don't need sunscreen. No, that is wrong. Each and every skin toned people need sunscreen. Duskier skinned beauties can also experience premature aging due to sun exposure. So guys, please do not forget to wear sunscreen. Now myth number 2, only UVB rays are harmful for our skin. No, that is again wrong. In fact, UVA rays are more harmful for our skin DNA. So you need to buy sunscreen which protect our skin from both UVA and UVB rays. Now comes myth number 3. As long as you don't get sunburn, tanning is safe. Again, it is absolutely wrong. Tanning is always unhealthy for your skin. Now myth number 4. Sunblock should be worn only in summer. No, it is again absolutely wrong, and please guys don't believe in it, because you should wear sunscreen each and every day, even the day is not sunny. Comes the myth number 5, and the myth number 5 is really common. So many of us think that if our sunscreen is water resistant, then we don't need to reapply it after swimming. But again, that is really wrong, and you can get severe tan if you don't reapply your sunscreen after swimming. So guys, please remember this, because many of us are doing this same mistake because we think that our sunscreen is water resistant, so we don't need to reapply it, but that is not true at all. Now comes myth number 6. My sunscreen is in SPF 50, so I don't need to reapply it as often. Again, that is a terrible mistake. The number in the sunscreen actually refers to how much protection you are getting from that sunscreen, but it does not mean that how long the effect of the sunscreen actually lasts. So you should reapply sunscreen after 2 to 3 hours at least. So these are some suntan related myths that you should not believe if you want to rescue your skin from the sun damage. Now बात करते हैं आप कैसे forehead tan से छुटकारा पा सकते हैं. But I should wash up my makeup before applying my DIY face mask. Now I have just washed my face, and I also have changed my clothes because I don't want to stain my dress. Now I am ready to apply my DIY face pack, but before applying it I need to show you what are the ingredients in my face pack. So the first ingredient is curd, and my second ingredient is rice flour, and my most important and magical ingredient of my DIY face pack is red lentils. I just soaked it in some water and then I grinded it to make a fine paste. Now comes our last and another good ingredient, that is potato juice. Now you need to mix all these ingredients together and then apply it to your face. Now comes the easiest part of this video, that is mixing all of these ingredients together. And I want to tell you guys why this face pack really works well. Curd or dahi contains lactic acid, vitamin E, zinc, phosphorus, etc. And lactic acid really helps to prevent wrinkle, and it also helps to remove suntan from our face. And our second ingredient, that is rice flour, and rice flour is really helpful to detan our skin, and it also helps to remove pigmentation. We all know about the good benefits of rice flour. Red lentils or musur dal again is very helpful to remove tan because it contains vitamin C and it has also antioxidants in it. Now comes our last ingredient, that is potato juice. Potato juice has bleaching agent in it, and again that is helpful to detan our skin. So I have just mixed all of these ingredients together, and you can take equal amount of all of these ingredients to make this DIY face pack. Now I am going to apply it on my forehead to show you. One more thing is, if dahi does not suit your skin, then you can use lemon juice instead of dahi. Let it dry on your forehead for some time and then wash it off with cool water. And if your skin is not too sensitive, then you can just massage the forehead gently and then wash it off. That will help to get rid of all dead cells. So I have just come back after washing my face, and I don't know guys if you can see any visible difference on my forehead, but my forehead was badly tanned 2 to 3 months ago, and that time I was searching all over the internet what I should use to get rid of my forehead tan. Then I started using this face pack and it gave me a really good result. And this DIY takes time to show result, but this will surely give you result. So you should use it at least 2 to 3 days in a week. If you have any kind of dark spot or white spot on your teeth, then I think my remedy will help you. So what you need is baking soda. You just have to put some baking soda onto your brush and then brush your teeth with your regular toothpaste. And along with this baking soda tip, you can also use a guava leaf. Guava leaf is also again helpful to get rid of any kind of spot from your teeth. You just need to tear the leaf and then apply it on your teeth and just rub it with your finger. So guys, do try this remedy and let me know in the comment section below if these DIYs are really helpful for you. So guys, that's it for today, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to watch such more beauty and skincare related videos. Bye for now.